Hey guys, welcome back to the Beehive. Welcome back to the channel. We are going shopping again today. Or window shopping maybe? I don't know. I don't have plans to buy anything, but I do want to show you what we have available here at pOpshelf. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever been to a pOpshelf? It would remind you of kind of a blend of Dollar Tree and Five Below. But anyways, I do know they're fairly new, at least in our area. We just got this one this past year. But I want to go in and see what is in the garden department. See if there's anything that we can use to put outside to make our gardening fun, affordable, easy, things like that. Yeah, I'm sitting at the parking lot now, as you can see. So let's go inside, see what they got. Alright, so it's looking awful spring-like here at pOpshelf. A lot of cute stuff. I'm going to walk around here just for a minute because I'm actually trying to find the garden center. But I was admiring all the little Easter stuff. Look how cute. Now, like I said, doesn't this kind of give you a vibe of Five Below a little bit? I'm more in shock that Easter is right around the corner. Where has this year gone so far, really? Let me know if you've ever been to a pOpshelf. All right, so here we are at the garden center, and I'm just kind of looking everything over. These tools really stuck out to me. A little pricey for $10, I feel like, but the quality of those were amazing. And check out these. These are like the little mister bottles, 2 for $3. That's a good size for $1.50, but I still think you can do better at Dollar Tree. And they do have some potty mix, but I was looking at this and the price was a little up there. I felt like $4. I felt like that was a little bit much for the little bag that you get. It felt very airy though. Check this out. These are mini greenhouses for $15. Look like they just kind of pop up. That's kind of cool. And then they had these Upsy Daisy. I had never seen these before, but basically it's to make your pot more shallow. And then they had the kneeling pads. So this is quite small. For just $0.25 more, you can get a little bit bigger size. This one at Dollar Tree is bigger. All right, and they had these clear vinyl saucers for $1.25. Let's take a look. Here you get a small 4-pack for $1.25. Not bad. And then the medium one is a 3-pack. And then the larger ones is a 2-pack. But check this out. At Dollar Tree, you can get the small pack in 6, okay, for $1.25. And then let's take a look. Their medium pack. I was trying to find the label, like how many was in it. Took me a minute here to realize they had it printed on the other side. So there's 4. And then the large one, you get 3. So go to Dollar Tree. Your better option is there for those. pOpshelf does have some name brand Miracle Grow. So that was good to see. I didn't know how much they were though. Some of the things had prices, some didn't. I was just admiring some of these other tools. Fiskars, that's a name brand, right? That was really good quality too. And then I was looking at this, $4. Again, you could do better at the Dollar Tree, but these were a lot thicker. And then the little sprinklers, I thought that was a fair price for $10. Walmart does carry some varieties of those as well. And then these glass watering containers caught my eye for $5. Again, Dollar Tree has a plastic option for $1.25. And just wanted to show you this because it was in the same aisle, but I'm not really sure what it is. You have to let me know in the comments below. What is it? It's a little flower garden kit, obviously, but I don't know if it would be worth it. And right beside it, they do have seed starters. 36 cells, and then those are $5, which I didn't think was too bad. I thought that was a fair price on those. And then bird options. I do have bird feeder too. And then we have this cute little watering can, and it's a faucet style, which I thought was kind of neat, a different style. They have really cute planter options. You can put these indoors, obviously, but little pricey, maybe. I don't know. That was ceramics. That might be about right. Here are more of your outdoor options. I do like these caster wheel trays. The ones at Dollar Tree are not as great quality. I couldn't find the price on those, or did I? I don't think I found them. And then these are cool. Okay, so let me just show you. These are what you put like on your porch if you have like a railing. I actually have some of these that I bought at Lowe's, but I'm going to tell you $20 is a little bit pricey for those. Those are bigger than what I have, but I think you can do better at Lowe's. And then a self-watering planter. That's so cool. I was trying to find the price. $30 I felt was a little steep on that as well. I think you can do better on Amazon if that's something you're looking for. But they do have a lot of other options for planter containers. Here are, like, if you want to trim out your trees, I couldn't find the price on these either. But yeah, if that's something that you are shopping for, they do have them at pOpshelf. I do like these plant stands. They do have an option similar at Dollar Tree for $5. These outdoor planters, though, they were really good quality. $9, I don't know. What's your thoughts? This must be a trending style for 2024. So pOpshelf had it, and you'll see here in just a moment that Dollar Tree had it as well. But Dollar Tree was $1.25. pOpshelf was $2. I really love this little 3-tier shelf. So cute. And then next to this, I did find some more garden tools. It's a garden hoe made with a wood handle. Pretty good quality. There was a plastic option. Again, I thought it was really good quality. I thought this was unique. These little plant vibe bags, $4 each. They were canvas, soft-sided. They had a lining inside of it. I don't know. It's kind of cute. And then right below that, they had some watering cans. And let's see how much these are. These were $7. Okay, how cute are these? The little mushrooms. And then, of course, we have some decorative things. Gardening is happiness, and that it is. And then they also had some other gardening-themed decorations. Really cute. Here are some other pre-seated options. And then right above it, we had some gardening gloves. Really good quality, too. Woo, bright light. I'm back home from pOpshelf. So what do you think? Leave your comments down below. Have you ever been to a pOpshelf? Their prices seem a little bit on the higher end, but if you didn't have anything else available to you, or you wanted something specific or a look, then pOpshelf would be great. But I wanted to bring you back here before we close out the video because I want to show you something exciting. Look what I got. So I got my water harvesting container set. I had to still get the gutter put up and of course the drain tube that comes down. But it's coming together. We went ahead and sprayed back here to kill off the grass, and we're going to be putting a tarp down, and then we got to get some fencing to close this area in. If you've been following along, you know that this area is where I'm going to be putting my garden. It does get at least the 6 hours of sunlight that it's going to need, but as you can see, it does get some shade as well. The reason why we're putting it back here is because of, let's see if I can find one, this thing right here. Because of the pups. We don't want them to get into the garden when we leave them outside. That is the option we have come up with to keep them out of the garden. And let's just admire the goji bush. Do any of you have a goji bush? Look, these are old from last year. But this does really well. I actually have planted 3 bushes here, and the goji berries are the only ones that have come up. I need to look into pruning them. Like, should I be cutting them back? I don't know. As you can see, I do have some new growth on here already this year, so that's good. Personally, would love a blueberry bush, but I have never had any luck with it myself. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go to Five Below, and then I have a Dollar Tree, a small Dollar Tree haul coming up for you soon. So those are the next couple videos that I have planned. Be on the lookout for that. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.